Less annoying CRM honest review? Watch before using. Let's get straight to it. Less Annoying CRM is a simple, budget-friendly customer relationship management tool designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and startups that need an easy way to manage leads and customers without being overwhelmed by unnecessary features. It's priced at just $15 per user per month, with no complicated tiers or hidden fees, which is a huge selling point for small teams on a budget. But the big question is, does it live up to its name? Let's break it down. The core features include contact management, pipeline tracking, calendar integration, and task reminders. It's a cloud-based platform, so you can access it from anywhere on any device. What makes it different from bigger CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce is its simplicity. There are no flashy automations or deep analytics tools. This CRM focuses on being straightforward and user-friendly. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it ideal for non-tech savvy users who don't want to spend hours learning a complex system. Contact management is at the heart of Less Annoying CRM. You can easily store contact information, track interactions, and even add custom fields to fit your specific business needs. The pipeline management tool is basic but effective. You can track leads, move them through your sales stages, and add notes or follow-up tasks along the way. One standout feature is how customizable it is. You can tweak the CRM to match your sales process without needing any technical skills. However, there are some downsides. If you're a larger business or need advanced automation, this tool may feel too limited. There are no built-in email marketing features or advanced reporting tools. You also won't find integrations with hundreds of third-party apps. But to be fair, that's not what this CRM was designed for. Less Annoying CRM is for small businesses that need to manage contacts and sales pipelines without a steep learning curve. One major benefit is their customer support. It's top-notch, with a real human on the other end ready to help you via phone or email. Plus, they offer a free 30-day trial with no credit card required, which is a great way to test it out without any commitment. So, should you use it? If you're a small business owner or freelancer looking for an easy, affordable CRM without the complexity of enterprise tools, yes. But if you need more advanced features, you'll outgrow it quickly. Overall, Less Annoying CRM delivers exactly what it promises: a simple, no-fuss tool that helps you stay organized without being, well, annoying.